Tonight, we are exploring a world of nourishing evening drinks designed to calm the nervous system, stabilize the body, and gently guide you toward deep, restorative rest. As the day winds down and artificial lights continue to stimulate the brain long after sunset, the body often struggles to transition into a state of genuine relaxation, which is why the ritual of a thoughtfully prepared evening beverage can become a powerful biological signal that it is time to soften, slow, and surrender to tranquility. Warm herbal infusions such as chamomile, lemon balm, passion flower, and lavender have been used for centuries across diverse cultures to quiet mental chatter and reduce physiological tension, not through sedation, but through modulation of the nervous system, encouraging parasympathetic dominance, lowering heart rate, and easing muscular tightness, while their aromatic compounds interact subtly with olfactory pathways that communicate directly with emotional centers of the brain, creating a sensory bridge between taste, scent, and serenity. Preparing such a drink mindfully, heating water slowly, inhaling steam, observing the color diffusion, transforms a simple cup into a ceremonial pause that separates productivity from restoration, and when consumed without screens, without urgency, and without distraction, this warm elixir becomes more than hydration. It becomes a neurological cue that closes the chapter of the day and invites the physiology of sleep to unfold naturally. Beyond classic herbal teas, certain mineral-rich beverages can play a profound role in muscular release and hormonal balance, particularly those containing magnesium, an essential element involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including neurotransmitter regulation and melatonin production. A warm magnesium-infused drink, blended with a splash of almond milk and a hint of raw cacao, can provide both comfort and biochemical support, as cacao in its pure, unsweetened form offers theobromine in gentle amounts, alongside antioxidants that support vascular function without overstimulation when used modestly in the evening. And when combined with glycine, a calming amino acid naturally present in collagen, the drink can promote a subtle drop in core body temperature, a physiological shift associated with easier sleep onset. Golden milk, prepared with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and a plant-based milk of choice, delivers anti-inflammatory compounds that may soothe digestive discomfort accumulating throughout the day, while its warm, earthy flavor profile evokes grounding and safety, especially when enhanced with a small pinch of black pepper to increase curcumin bioavailability. And by keeping sweetness minimal and relying instead on spices for complexity, you avoid blood sugar fluctuations that could otherwise trigger nocturnal awakenings. Stability in blood glucose levels is one of the most underestimated foundations of uninterrupted rest. And crafting an evening drink that prevents abrupt metabolic swings can dramatically reduce the likelihood of nighttime awakenings driven by cortisol surges. A gently warmed cup of oat milk blended with a teaspoon of almond butter and a dusting of cinnamon creates a harmonious combination of complex carbohydrates, beneficial lipids, and soluble fiber that supports gradual serotonin synthesis without burdening digestion, while cinnamon contributes to improved insulin responsiveness, facilitating efficient cellular uptake of glucose and lowering the probability of reactive drops in blood sugar during the night. In a similar vein, a light protein-centered beverage incorporating collagen peptides or pea protein stirred into warmed, unsweetened coconut milk can supply essential amino acids required for overnight tissue repair, immune modulation, and enzymatic maintenance without creating heaviness, ensuring that hepatic glycogen stores remain sufficient to stabilize energy availability while you sleep. And by consuming such nourishment approximately 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime, you allow gastric processing to progress comfortably, minimizing reflux, abdominal pressure, or distension that might otherwise fragment deep sleep architecture and compromise the regenerative phases critical for cognitive clarity and hormonal equilibrium. Hydration strategy in the evening requires discernment because both insufficient fluid intake and excessive late-night consumption can interfere with sleep continuity. So the objective is measured replenishment that supports cellular function without provoking repeated awakenings. A small mug of warm water, enhanced with a delicate pinch of mineral-rich sea salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon, can assist electrolyte balance and optimize fluid distribution across membranes, particularly for individuals prone to nocturnal muscle cramps or early morning fatigue, while diluted tart cherry juice, gently warmed rather than chilled, offers naturally occurring melatonin precursors and anthocyanins that may ease post-exertional inflammation, making it especially valuable after intense physical training or prolonged standing throughout the day. Rather than drinking quickly, allow each sip to coincide with elongated breathing patterns. Inhale softly through the nose, exhale slowly through the mouth, thereby stimulating vagal pathways that encourage cardiovascular deceleration and a sense of internal spaciousness. And remember that the temperature of the beverage itself plays a subtle regulatory role, as warmth promotes peripheral vasodilation, helping the body transition toward the slight decline in core temperature that signals readiness for restorative sleep. Digestive ease is a cornerstone of uninterrupted slumber, because gastrointestinal discomfort often becomes more noticeable once external stimulation fades and the body attempts to recalibrate. And thoughtfully selected evening infusions can provide gentle support without imposing digestive strain. Fennel seeds steeped in hot water release aromatic compounds that help relax intestinal smooth muscle and reduce bloating, while anise offers a subtly sweet licorice-like profile that can calm post-meal heaviness and encourage comfortable transit. And peppermint in moderate concentration delivers a cooling sensation that may alleviate mild cramping by easing spasmodic tension along the digestive tract. For those who prefer a softer flavor, rooibos presents a naturally caffeine-free alternative, rich in protective polyphenols, offering a round, slightly nutty taste that requires no added sweetener and avoids stimulating the central nervous system late in the evening. Ginger, when infused lightly rather than brewed intensely, can support efficient gastric emptying and reduce sensations of fullness without irritating sensitive stomach linings. And if a touch of sweetness feels comforting, a minimal drizzle of raw honey can enhance palatability while contributing modest glycogen support, provided it is used sparingly to prevent glycemic volatility. And by paying attention to subtle bodily cues, warmth spreading through the abdomen, a gradual softening of the jaw, a deepening of breath, you cultivate awareness that allows you to fine-tune these digestive support beverages according to your individual physiology and evening routine. Mental decompression is just as essential as physical relaxation, because cognitive overstimulation often lingers long after the body feels fatigued, and certain evening beverages can serve as anchors that help the mind disengage from analytical intensity and transition toward reflective calm. A warm preparation infused with ashwagandha blended into unsweetened almond or oat milk may assist in moderating the stress response by supporting balanced cortisol rhythms, allowing the nervous system to recalibrate after demanding schedules or emotionally charged interactions, while the very act of stirring, inhaling, and sipping slowly becomes a grounding ritual that signals closure to the day's responsibilities. Similarly, holy basil, often appreciated for its clarifying yet soothing qualities, can be steeped gently to create a fragrant infusion that encourages emotional steadiness without inducing grogginess, making it suitable for pairing with journaling, light stretching, or quiet contemplation under dim lighting. Incorporating intentional practices alongside these drinks, such as writing 3 reflections of gratitude, performing controlled diaphragmatic breathing, or simply sitting in stillness, strengthens associative pathways in the brain, gradually conditioning it to interpret these flavors and aromas as cues for safety and release. And when repeated consistently at a predictable hour, this pairing of beverage and mindful routine reinforces circadian alignment, enhancing the efficiency with which the body shifts from alert engagement into the deeply restorative phases of sleep. Ultimately, the true power of healthy evening drinks lies not only in their ingredients, but in the environment and intention surrounding their consumption. Because no infusion, tonic, or warm elixir can fully counteract the stimulating effects of bright screens, unresolved tension, or erratic schedules. Yet when integrated into a deliberate wind-down ritual, characterized by softened lighting, reduced auditory input, and conscious disengagement from digital stimulation, these beverages become catalysts for a comprehensive physiological transition into rest. Consider rotating preparations throughout the week, herbal infusions on some evenings, mineral-based blends on others, digestion-supporting teas after heavier meals, and adaptogenic tonics during periods of heightened stress, thereby exposing the body to a diverse spectrum of phytonutrients, amino acids, and micronutrients while preventing sensory monotony. Pay attention to timing, aiming to finish your drink at least an hour before lying down, allowing metabolic processes to unfold without discomfort, and observe how posture, breathing rhythm, and emotional state subtly shift as warmth spreads through the chest and abdomen, encouraging peripheral circulation and signaling the hypothalamus that nighttime recovery can begin. Over time, this consistent pattern cultivates a conditioned relaxation response in which aroma, flavor, and temperature collectively communicate safety to the nervous system, stabilize metabolic activity, soothe internal organs, and harmonize hormonal rhythms, so that sleep emerges not as a forced outcome, but as a natural consequence of alignment between behavior and biology, enabling you to awaken with clarity, resilience, and a renewed capacity to engage the coming day with steadiness and vitality. As you begin experimenting with these nourishing evening drinks, remember that the goal is not perfection, but awareness. Observe how your body responds, refine your ritual with patience, and allow each warm, calming cup to become a gentle bridge between the intensity of the day and the deep, healing silence of the night. And if this guide has brought you value, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who struggles with rest, and subscribe for more evidence-based practical strategies to elevate your health naturally and sustainably.